Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord muffling other audio. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, minimize Discord. Now go ahead and right click on your audio right here, and then go ahead and click on sound settings. And then this window will pop up. Go ahead and scroll all the way down and find more sound settings. Okay? Once done, under communications, click on it. Make sure that it's set to do nothing. All right. Once done, click on apply and click on OK. After that, click on more sound settings once more. Go ahead and select your output device. For example, you're using speakers or headset or headphones. Click on it. Click on properties. Now go ahead and go to advanced. Try to at least uncheck this one. Okay. Untick it and then click on apply. Click on OK. And once that's done, finally, let's go head over to our Discord. Go ahead and go to settings or user settings. On the left panel, find voice and video. Click on it. Scroll down a bit and find show advanced voice settings. Click on it. Now you'll be able to see global attenuation. Make sure that this one is set to 0. Okay? 0. And also toggle off when I speak and when others speak to ensure that Discord never lowers your system volume. Once done, close Discord, close, right click on it, quit Discord, reopen it. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is how we fix Discord muffling other audio. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.